I don't know. Why are we laughing at it, bruh?
It's just a motorcycle.
But in the hell? Where'd you come from? You're laughing over a motorcycle.
This is Shadow. This is Shadow.
A motorcycle.
This is Shadow's.
How original.
Watch me bring it all the way to the spawn, and I play this start crying.
What's happening?
Nothing. Motorcycle?
Alright, anyways.
No, his name is Motorcycle.
I got you. Hi, Motorcycle. I'm Shadow. How are you doing today?
You see, I learned a new spell. I learned a new spell. It's healing. It's healing, but in reverse.
And I learned a new spell.
It's putting the motorcycle in reverse.
I got you. Why?
No motorcycle! If I see that motorcycle one more fucking time.
Why is it so funny, bro? Hey, speaking of a motorcycle.
I'm witnessing. Why was she bald for a second? I know I'm the one who saw that. She was bald for a second. The motorcycle transferred to cancer. Oh my god, Roy's here. Here we go. The next villain. Motorcycle.
Dude, the motorcycle's voice lines. Beep, beep.
I'm now good. I am gonna fall.
Y'all some weed.
We need some motorcycles in like
You know what?
I'm using this Shadow avatar in most RPs just because of the motorcycle. I hope you know that.
Y'all are weed.
Yeah, free?
Hey, Austin, guess what?
What?
Bicycle? Like a motorcycle?
Yo, I think I'm sitting still crashing out.
Oh, I'm recording too. This makes it so much better.
You have
Why is this? What?
a motorcycle cord. Motorcycle cord.
Yep, I'm titling the video that.
What is so funny about a fucking motorcycle?
Or something that
You don't get it,
Shadow showed up the
You don't get it.
over and it's
I really don't.
like a spasm or something.
Just a motorcycle and y'all start
Austin,
laughing.
Because it's too racist.
Did someone say motorcycle? Like that motorcycle?
Lord, please kill me now. Please.
Bro.
why are we laughing at a goddamn motorcycle, bruh?
Did you say no to the motorcycle? Did you say
Y'all are
no?
autistic, bro.
Alright, go get him, Rufus.
Duck. Mr. Duck,
Keep laughing
over
about
on
the
your motorcycle?
Go get him, Rufus.
Give him a fucking duck man. Oh, hell no.
Oh, okay.
Why are we laughing at that?
I don't know.
It's just a motorcycle.
It's just a darn motorcycle, bro.
Wait, did you say motorcycle? Talk about a Ghost Rider.
The Ghost Rider. Okay. Mom, can I have Ghost Rider? Can I have Ghost Rider at home? Ghost Rider.
Help! I can't! Help!
What happened? Oh, I'm tired. What happened? What happened?
They're being autistic. They're laughing over a motorcycle for
Wait,
literally
did
no
you say
Did you say
reason.
motorcycle?
motorcycle? Did you say
No.
motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
I just outran a car. I don't know how.
A car?
Car? Like a vehicle? Like a motorcycle?
Like a
Both of you, come on.
like a motorcycle?
Like a motorcycle.
I'm done.
Hey, why don't y'all know about me? I got a special present.
Sure.
A present? Like a motorcycle for Christmas?
Like.
Come here.
Okay. Should buy a motorcycle one day.
Wait, did you say a motorcycle?
You stay out there. You stay out there.
I said motorcycle.
Alright, come here, boy.
No.
As in
Motorcycle?
Y'all humor is broken.
Bro, I started laughing because Roy
Broken?
started laughing at
Like as in a
motorcycle.
broken motorcycle?
I'm not going to look at the shadow game the same.
Shadow game. Or like Shadow
motorcycle?
riding a motorcycle? As in a motorcycle?
Why is it floating?
Y'all are autistic. It's not even that bad.
Hey, we gotta get to the front door, Royce. We gotta go check.
What's at the front door?
Get the motorcycle away from me! Stop!
I'm so
Did you say motorcycle?
As in motorcycle.
Get away!
Get it away.
Yeah.
Like
What are you
shipping a
allergic to?
motorcycle away? Like a motorcycle?
I'm so done.
Royce said it.
I'm
He's
so
tired of
done.
it.
Scream at the top of my fucking lungs!
Wow,
Change your lungs.
like a motorcycle doesn't have? Like a
Motorcycle?
motorcycle?
What did Ralph say to you, man?
Can we just
Something else,
continue
man.
this?
I'm stop recording, man. Wait, recording? Like you can do with a GoPro on a
Stop.
motorcycle?
I'm done.
I'm motorcycle.
Stop.
Did you say motorcycle?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh my God. When we redo,
I'm
when we
so
freaking redo the like Delta in Chapter 3 in the RP,
Don't you say about it!
I'm gonna have Tina say motorcycle.
Motorcycle? Wait, did you say motorcycle?
Stop it. Stop it. Stop.
I wish we could do that, bro. I wish we could do Chapter 3, bro.
3? As in,
As in,
a motorcycle doesn't have 3 wheels? Only 2? Like a motorcycle?
I got you. Oh, see that, Tom? I'm Tom. As motorcycle.
Yo. It's
I
not.
got you.
Wait, is that red on your shirt? As in motorcycle having red? Like a motorcycle? Then I just put a PNG of a motorcycle right there.
I wish Tina had like a motorcycle on his stream.
watch this.
That would be so funny.
Hey, Tana. I love TV.
You love something, as if you love a motorcycle?
Oh,
I love TV.
Idle animation. Hold on. All right. Go.
I love TV.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2? Like,
Can we do that
like
concert?
the amount of wheels the motorcycle has?
Can we do that concert again?
Like a motorcycle?
Concert?
Can we do that concert again? It's fun.
Yeah, the concert was fun.
I'm about to kill myself.
Should we do both?
Rosie's about to
Songs
commit
like
suicide.
Razor Rat and TV Time? Should we-
Suicide.
I still got the concert.
As if you're gonna, like a motorcycle's gonna be the cause of that?
Say it one more time and I'm done. Say it
Motorcycle?
one more time and I'm done.
Yo, what's good, my fellas? It's me, Faithful Silver, and I'd just like to say, why did you watch this video? And also, I'd like to apologize for not posting in a while. It's just, I have been... Man, shut up! You have no reason to not be posting. You're just laying on your lazy just behind, just doing absolutely nothing. You got that? Dang! Start posting again, dude. okay. The real reason is just like I just didn't really want to. I was running out of ideas. I didn't really want to do all that much of stuff. I wanted to have fun with my friends while we were doing it, but I can't really get to see my friends all that much. And yeah. I'm just being lazy. That's really the only reason. So, yeah. But I'll try to get as much content out there as much as I can. So, stay tuned for that. I'm going to make a whole lot of content like Rec Room, Blade and Sorcery, whatever. And it's just kind of hard not having viewers that comment and stuff. My notification just went off. That's cool. Not having viewers that comment what they want, which I'm not blaming y'all because I am a very small YouTuber. 41 subscribers, man. But 41 subscribers is a new record for me. In my past YouTube stuff, I only got like 33. But yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be all from me. Hope you guys have a good day, and yeah. I don't know why you guys watched this video to the end. Kind of weird that you guys did. Anyways, see ya. Have a faithful day, whatever that means. Also, another thing is that Xbox is not really working with his videos and stuff. It's just been kind of, tripping and all that stuff. Like, it's been not giving me videos, but only photos for some reason. And I'm not really trying to do all that claymation and stuff. Hey, listen, I know that claymation is only with clay, but that's kind of how it is. Anyways, this is officially goodbye for my video. Okay, that sounded wrong. This is officially sign off of my video. There we go. See ya.